Hello, my name is Muffy, and I have big news. I was adopted. I don't know yet how my home will look like, but I hope that it is nice. I imagine a warm place to sleep, and maybe some little toys. I don't need much. I do not care about things. I just hope that my parents will be loving me as I know I will be loving them. As you can see, I am with my sister Luna. She will be with me for 1 week, and I am very happy. This way it will be easier to leave my mama cat and siblings behind. Also, this is my first time outside the house, and everything is so new and a little scary. But this lady seems nice, so I jumped to her lap. Okay, I tried some more places. I hope you were braver at 2 months. But anyhow, it was a short ride. And everything is so different. My dear human mommy, Ava is not here. She raised me since I was 1 day old. And I can't smell my mommy cat or my siblings. I feel that I should stay in this little bag. It's so good to have Luna next to me. At the same time, I am a little curious. I hear some noises in the room nearby. I wonder what is happening.
Muffy. Muffy.
A familiar smell. I would like to check it out. And the nice lady is calling. But I feel safe here with Luna. Oh, the smell. Maybe I will take a little bite. Hey, where is Tasty Tuna going? I am a little hungry. Wait, don't go.
Hi, Muffy. Hi,
This place seems quite okay. Why is the lady laughing? Yeah, I will just wait for the tuna to come back. What else can be found around here? And look, my toy. I always play with my mouse when I am a little nervous. A flying mouse. How interesting. Luna, come and see. Look at it fly. Oh man, I got to try and catch it. Yummy tuna. We'll think about the mouse later. This is quite delicious. As you can see, I tend to like food a lot. Especially tuna. It's like they knew it's my favorite. That's a weird noise. Okay, let's explore a bit. Come Luna, it looks like a good home. This place is exactly like I imagined. A hand. I kind of like it. The lady grabbed me. And she talks to me like my first mommy. And Luna is finally eating again. Is this my new family? Is the nice lady my mommy? Do they like me and Luna? Now it is dark, and I am so tired. Luna is already sleeping, and I watch over her. This is what brothers do. I hope you like my story enough to give it a like. And stay close to me. See how my life will be.